Hey, just wanted to share my strategy made here quickly as possible. So basically, here's a good example. Just the area marked in a white square. So I guess you could probably start with what we're looking for in general and what this move applies to. Any time really, any session. I've been studying the GU. British pound, US dollar, 5 minute charts only is what I'm doing. Basically, you're looking for a drop, good size drop like this, and then we're waiting for the bottom, and then we're trying to catch the run up. So we're looking for signals on how to find the run up. So that basically starts right here. I'm looking for a span of green candles. That's pretty much it. I call it the 7C for 7 count of green candles. And I use this indicator, you can't see because my video's there, but this is the name here, B color, 20 EMA. That's the only setting on it. So I'll just toggle it on and off so you can see the difference. Yeah, so that's the one I use, which I love. And then the one I use for my moving averages, those two lines, is this here, and these are the settings I changed it to. And I just changed it to that because it shows these signals here, which just kind of, I was going to use it as alerts. Anyhow, you don't really need that, you just need these two moving average lines. So yeah, that's the name there, MA crossover alerts if you want to find it. And so yeah, we start with that's what we're looking for, counting 7 green candles. So, and they got to be good sized here, like I put in the note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I got a mark there for it. And you're looking for a little bit of structure here. So just backing up a little bit, you might have seen this and you thought to yourself, okay, that's a good size drop. I'm looking for the 7 count. So you find some right here, and this one didn't work out. The candles are a little bit small. Got some notes there. There's no real gap above the MA line. It doesn't really have a good structure like it has over here. It's got a little bit more vertical action, a little bit of gap under there. Same thing here. It's just a bad looking 7 count. Plus you've got this span of different colored candles kind of staggered throughout. So yeah, a couple different notes there to check out in the video. 1 second. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, for finding your TPs, I take a fib. Here's the fib settings, nothing fancy. And then there, I'll delete it. Grab your fib, go from the bottom of the swing, match up that white line here with the center of your seventh candle, and then that'll find your TP, which would be right here. But that usually goes a lot longer, so leave some for runner. So I've done about 100 different examples, back testing, and this move happens all the time, like every day, every other day, maybe every 3 days. And there's a lot of different signals that tell you when's a good 7 count and when not, when's a bad setup. So I'll go into that in another video, but this is pretty much the strategy. Found it works on different pairs, but I've really only studied on GU. So yeah, let me know what you think. Drop a comment there. I'm going to throw this on YouTube, so definitely appreciate it if you could throw a comment and do all that stuff to get the algorithm going if you want, but no big deal. I won't be doing too much of the YouTube stuff. But if you do end up liking the strategy and using it, definitely be good if you could drop some money in my bank there at some point. But yeah, All right, cheers.